Hey loves, in today's video I'll be creating this super easy purple and pink spring inspired eye makeup using the It's My Pleasure eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. I purchased the It's My Pleasure eyeshadow palette from Colourpop.com for $14. It's My Pleasure is a beautiful mixture of pinks and purples with 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. The It's My Pleasure palette does not have a matte brow bone highlight, so I am using the Amuse Smokey shadow in Cream on my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am applying Fan Fiction directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Coastal Scents Classic Blender Crease brush. I am using the BH Cosmetics Small Pointed Crease to apply the shade Sleeper to the outer third of my eye. I am taking Fan Fiction again on the Coastal Scents Classic Blender Crease brush, and I'm blending Fan Fiction into Sleeper to make sure that they have a nice gradient. I am highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors Contour Stick in the shade Highlighter. I am now blending that highlighter into my crease shadows using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. Using the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader, I am applying the shade Bare Minimum to the remainder of my lid. I am lining my upper lash line with the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. For mascara, I am using the Volumin'eyes by Believe Beauty. I wanted to incorporate glitter into this eye look, so I am using the Magic Collection Silver Glitter Eyeliner. This is the Miss 3D Makeup Soft Lash in style 56. I am bringing the shade Sleeper down to my lower lash line using the AOA E115. I am using that same brush to apply Chicklet to the rest of my lower lash line. I am lining my waterline with the Ruby Kisses 24-Hour Eye Define Liner in Metallic Hot Pink. I am pressing Bare Minimum into that liner using the BH Cosmetics Flat Eyeliner brush. To highlight the inner corner of my eye, I am taking the shade Earthshine on my Coastal Scents Classic Detail Pointed brush. Here's my completed makeup look that I created using the It's My Pleasure Colourpop palette. I really enjoyed using this palette. The shadows were very easy to work with, texture-wise, very soft, easy to blend, and they were all extremely pigmented. Thank you so much for watching. Have you tried the It's My Pleasure palette? If you have, let me know what you thought about it down below in a comment. Also, have you tried any of their other 9-color palettes? If so, do you have a favorite? Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this look, and until next time, bye loves!